We have a Bitcoin ATM being installed in the Mexico's Senate building. Lots going on here in the crypto sphere. It would appear, continued interest in blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies currently just making moves here as governing bodies and or multi-billion-dollar conglomerates get involved in the space. Drop a like on the video if you like the video and be sure to subscribe. Now, jumping right into it, we have XRP here. It would appear in a very critical space under the influence of bearish Robo advisors. Technically, we have been out of the market relatively. We have reduced our position ever since the 12th of April when the sell for and bearish cross was confirmed, and we've been saved from just over 10% in downside that has followed. So our strategy with EngineeringRobo here is we invest 50% when EngineeringRobo becomes bullish. So we need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish, similar to instances and perhaps like the end of July here when the buy for and golden cross allowed you to experience 92% in upside on XRP. And then we had another instance with the buy for and golden cross again, allowing us to experience just about 20% in gains. We need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish to allow for our 50% EngineeringRobo based investment ratio to be comfortably reinvested. We also will invest 20% at support. So we technically already did way back in February. So if you missed out on investing 20% at my support level, 63 cents here, technically 0.6350 is my horizontal level here, though it would be more of a range, not a single price. 63 cents is going to be significant support until confirmed. Otherwise, you can invest 20% of your investment in at this level under current conditions. However, be ready for any abrupt changes in momentum. Say daily candles open and close below this 63 cent support level, confirming it as resistance. So we get some price action similar to the end of January into February of this year here. We would then consider the next strongest horizontal level down below, which would be 46 cents. So that would be the level we are looking out for if bearish Robos remain in play and we fail to stay above this 63 cent level. At the moment, we have experienced 2 very bullish instances of support found at this range and buy pressure coming off of it and from just underneath it. So right now, we just go with the flow of crypto and watch out for EngineeringRobo and that remaining 30% of your investment waiting to be invested into XRP will be when daily candles open and close back above the descending trend line, which will have to be revisualized when necessary. So 20% at support currently, 50% when EngineeringRobo reconfirms as bullish, and 30% when we break above the soon to be revealed descending trend line. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto, though. Mexico's senator and outspoken crypto proponent shared her excitement at the development on Twitter, stating that it was for freedom, inclusion, and financial education in Mexico. Mexico's Senate building now houses the country's 14th Bitcoin ATM, a sign of the country's increasing interest in Bitcoin. After the Bitcoin ATM was installed, a local news report stated that the PRD representative noted that Bitcoin has already surpassed the transaction volume of payments made through traditional payment systems such as PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Mexico's interest in cryptocurrency has picked up momentum in recent months. According to AAA's crypto ownership data from 2021, 40% of Mexican firms are interested in adopting blockchain and cryptocurrency in some manner. Of this group, 71% are concentrated on cryptocurrency usage. Furthermore, the information shows that Mexico's top cryptocurrency exchange saw an increase of 342% in trading volume throughout 2020, and the exchange's over 1 million users are 92% Mexican. So lots going on here in the traditional world of finance. As we've read, Bitcoin's transactions by volume have matched traditional payment systems. So, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. They deal with trillions of dollars in transactions, and it would appear Bitcoin is keeping up to par, and we're only getting started. We have, continued governing bodies getting involved in the space, showing interest in blockchain technology, whether it be utilizing cryptocurrencies, getting involved in the metaverse, Web3, whatever it be. Cryptocurrency just seems to be making some big moves here. Let me know down below your thoughts on this article. Find it in the description. The buy for bull and moon. Looking at Bitcoin, as we all know, we've been out of the market here relatively ever since the 8th of April. We've experienced a dramatic 10% in tantrum throwing downside here. Looking for the strongest level of support so far, in my opinion, at the moment bottom of this, death-defying correction that started back in November when the sell for and heck came into play on the 18th of November near the $56,000 level. Bitcoin proceeded to experience 42% in downside. And so ever since the beginning of the year, we've been bouncing up, down, and around off of support, looking for resistance, trying to recover from this correction on the brink of a, year plus of sideways, and I do believe a longer term uptrend is intact. However, in the immediate short term here, we go with the flow of crypto and watch out for EngineeringRobo. So $34,655 per Bitcoin could very well be still the bottom, and I do believe an interaction with that level would not be the worst thing that could happen for us. It would be a very bullish confirmation of the bottom if we were to hold it. A third interaction with my support level would be very bullish in my opinion, and perhaps the final necessary evil here for us that we need to go through before we can continue our euphoric upside that is awaiting. But we always go with the flow of crypto and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Trade more tactically with a strategy. Feelings and opinions don't really matter, though are fun to have. So we're looking for the return of bullish Robo advisors, similar to end of July here. We saw 50% in gains with EngineeringRobo trading Bitcoin with the buy for and bull in October. We saw up to 40% in gains over the following month. And bearish parameters have saved us from some crippling downside. That 40+% correction in November, and a brief 12% downside throughout September there. So we just wait for the confirmations and be prepared for any situation. So the fear and FOMO zones. Now we have been suggesting a six-figure target for Bitcoin. And, we go with the flow of crypto. So based on current price action, it would appear the new potential top for Bitcoin is still in the six-figure level. $181,000 for Bitcoin is where I very much anticipate a more reasonable top, if you will, for this bull run. Coming from the fear zone here, we've experienced just about a 10x, and we have yet to see the FOMO zone. We use the fear and FOMO zones to determine longer-term entries and exits for Bitcoin here. Longer-term investors heavily accumulating during times of extreme fear, and longer-term investors heavily considering getting out of the market, selling, taking profit when extreme FOMO is present. You want to be selling when everyone is buying, and buying when everyone is selling. So we accumulate during the lows, during times of extreme fear here. And you want to be heavily considering selling when the market is euphoric. We're up in the FOMO zone there. Someone has to buy the top, hopefully not yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description. If you stuck around till this part of the video, type crypto sauce in the comments. I bet no one will, but if you did, you are the reason we're still here today. Thank you so much, and tune in for the next one.